Hey,
Trish!
I still love Top Eddie.
Look at the big boy.
Come here.
Hi, Trent.
Ball things will hurt.
Hi, Trent.
Come here, hillbilly.
What's she doing?
He's still hanging around his diaper child. Trent. There's a dead bird over there.
It's for sure. The cactus.
And a cactus.
Yeah, that'll poke you. That'll poke you.
There she goes, the camera, Tyler.
Trent.
Do you have trouble keeping clothes on him? I used to have trouble keeping clothes on my kids.
Trent, patty cake. Patty cake, patty cake. Fixtures, man. Can you roll them up? Yeah, that's gonna hurt. I found BB. BB got one right in his eyebrow.
Owie.
That's
Oh, they
pulled it
hurt
out.
really bad.
Just one little.
What? Just a little tiny.
No pumpkins
like a
this year?
hair.
Yeah, they're starting
I
to
just
grow.
cut them down.
Come here.
They're getting all bushy already.
Do they grow every year, or do you got to keep planting them?
Well, I just mashed them down the ground from before, and
Get a couple of steps.
they keep coming up.
Alright. What was that?
Run my throw in the pan.
You think so? Hey, Trent. Smile.
Such a handsome face.
Yeah.
Well, I know Fauna was going to bring them over the one time, and she had kind of gone off on at work, and that's
Well, Grandma.
the next
It's
time
his
she
grandma.
said she
Careful.
didn't want to see them unless you got to or something.
We'll have to-
Trent.
These are 50.
Hi.
That's about as high as it is, I think.
Trent.
Are you in high school now? That's what I was thinking, how you like it. You like it better, huh?
boy.
Yeah. They treat you more like an adult, don't they? They're still shy, though. That's okay,
Yes,
though.
she is.
I was real quiet in high school. They called me a bookworm.
Yes, she is.
Trent.
You're hamming up, aren't you?
She's always got her nose in a book.
No.
He had some Motrin in that. Did he drink
Oh,
that? Did he
somebody's
drink the
looking
rest of that?
sleepy.
Yeah, for the most part.
Okay, they had the Motrin in there.
Oh, baby. You don't
I'll let
like
you
me,
down,
do
you're not
you?
going over there. You're not going to the cactus.